Best form of revenge is success. Ratan Tata took over Tata Motors in 1990, when that company was only known as a manufacturer of trucks and buses. Under his leadership, Tata Motors in 1998 launched India's first indigenously designed car, Indica. Initially, the response was lukewarm. In 1998, people advised him to sell that manufacturing line. Ford Company in USA expressed interest in purchasing it. Then Ratan Tata went to USA. In the meeting, Bill Ford humiliated him. He said, "You know nothing about the passenger car industry, so why did you get into this line? We are doing you a favor by purchasing it." Ratan Tata was quiet at that time. That evening, he came back to India. He applied himself to the passenger car industry. And by 2008, Tata Motors was manufacturing some of the best selling brands in the world. On the other hand, Ford had got into serious trouble and was facing bankruptcy. At that time, Ratan Tata offered to buy their two worst selling motor cars, Land Rover and Jaguar. Now, Bill Ford came to Mumbai. In the meeting, he said to Ratan Tata, "You are doing us a great favor by purchasing these two." Ratan Tata could have humiliated him back, but he behaved graciously. In 9 years, the clock had turned a full circle, and Tata Motors had humbled the great Ford empire. That is why it is